Hello, and thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we are going to lunch at the Cheesecake Factory in Las Vegas, but we're going to go to the one at Caesar's Palace. It's pretty unique, so we thought we'd take you along with us and also show you a little bit of the construction update for F1 in Las Vegas, a walk around the Forum Shops, and then a little bit of a drive down the strip. So if that sounds like fun, come along with us. We are here at the Forum Shops. I'm going to do valet, and it looks like parking is $11 a day.
There's a cool area over here, huh? It's cool. I love that Jeep.
The Cheesecake Factory at the Forum Shops is located right across from the fountain where they do the Atlantis show. The show was starting right as we walked out of lunch, so stay tuned if you want to see a part of that. There is a huge aquarium on the backside of the fountain right across from the Cheesecake Factory. So we just got seated. They haven't opened the upstairs yet. We sat there one time, it was really cool, but unfortunately this is the first Cheesecake Factory I ever went to, and I say unfortunately because it ruined it for every other cheesecake. This one is so cool. You like it?
I think they said the upstairs now, I don't think it's kind of like overflow. It's mostly for banquets and private events.
Okay.
So it's not just general public going up there.
Can't even sit there anymore.
Yeah, I heard somebody saying something like that.
Oh wow.
Which sucks because it was cool.
It's still a really cool one though.
It's still a two-story.
Yeah. Where'd you get the 2-egg special? Not getting.
Got the egg slate.
What'd you get?
M&M, what'd you get?
All right, thanks for sharing. Shepherd's pie
No, it's a shepherd's pie.
and Skinnylicious sesame chicken.
It actually looks pretty good. Oh
It does. It smells good. Is it good?
Oh, it's very good. Look at the big, look at that portion of meat in there.
Nice.
Shepherd's pie.
How's yours?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, nice talking to you. Mine's really good. Chicken's moist, very flavorful. Yours is good?
It's all good.
All good.
All good.
Behold this vision. The story of Atlantis will show you truth. Atlas, king of Atlantis, is your guide. Listen to him speak of his city's ruin. His kingdom was destroyed by foolish pride. faced a decision which destroyed thy precious land. Our magic crystal, source of our strength, was brutally extinguished. Reading my story here in our flame, his heart burns at Andalusia.
Your forces will threat. I plot to steal.
You can't even afford to touch that glass.
Hello. Those were crazy.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah. We just paid here. Looks like our car is right over there and they'll bring it to us. $11 is not too bad for parking on the strip.
Vegas, baby.
Happy Halloween from Las Vegas. This is the time of year when the Bellagio fountains are covered by F1 grandstands. As far as the eye can see. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and have a fabulous day.